Hello happy people, welcome to the ThePhilipEffect. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your YouTube channel name. Alright, so please stick around. Okay, welcome back. So what you want to do first, you need to log into the YouTube channel that you want to change the name. Then you click on this one at the top right. You will see the current profile picture that you have there. If you don't have a profile picture there, to just be a digit or in an alphabet. Okay, so you just want to click on that, and then next you click on YouTube Studio, this one here. Yeah, so we'll click on that. So now we're here. Before I go on, I just want to show you, here is the current name director's gut, but I want to change it to the director's gut. Okay, so just so you know, when the changes happen, you'll see, okay, it really worked. So what you do now, when you get to this point, you need to roll this side down so you can see the option I want to click on. So you click on customization. Okay, we'll click on this one here, so we'll click on that. Next, you want to click on basic info, this one here. And then when you click on that, you can actually see this is the current channel name. So to change it, you want to click on this little pen here. So now you can see we can change the name here. So like I said before, I just want to add D to it. So you decide what you want to add to your name or whatever. If you want to change it completely, you can as well do so, and then you can put your description here. But for this tutorial, I'm not going to be doing all of that because the client here just wanted me to change the name. So we'll just do just that. You want to click on publish. When you're through with the changes, you click on publish. You can already see here it's changed now to the director's gut like I wanted. Alright, so that was it today, and please consider clicking on the like button if you liked the video, and click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss future uploads. Have a nice day.